How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel for a new video. As you can see behind me, we've got the Mk7 GTI's hood open. We're not doing anything to the engine, but we are doing something to the engine bay. So what I want to start this video off with is, if you are new to the channel, be sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button. We're working our way towards 10,000 subscribers on this channel. Huge goal of mine. We're getting so close. I just feel like that is like the next step in this YouTube channel. So help me out, go down below, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to 10K. So as I said, with the GTI, we're not working on the engine, but we are working in the engine bay. We've been doing some things here and there to dress up the engine bay. We've got the enclosed air box, which looks really clean. We've added the lower intake cover, the battery cover, the fuse box cover. So the engine bay as a whole is looking pretty clean. But we do have these little silver bits here and there, especially with the little vents up here in the front. But these bolts, the Volkswagen bolts, are not the prettiest, and they don't have to be, but we can change that. So what I have right here is the USP Motorsports bolt kit for the Mk7 GTI. Here's a list of the different hardware that it comes with. A bunch of M6, M5 stuff with the really nice washers. So the aluminum chrome kind of brushed look is gonna fit really nicely with the GTI engine bay. And it's really just kind of rinse and repeat, replace the bolts that are already there. You do have to make some little modifications with these nut inserts. That'll be easy. Their instructions how to do this are all online, so I'm just gonna follow those, shoot a video for you guys in the process. So it should be a pretty quick one today. Not gonna dive too deep into it because it really is just replacing bolts. I wanted to make a video about this. You may think like, why are you making a video about replacing bolts? I make videos on pretty much every single thing on my two cars, the Mk7 GTI and the NC Miata. So if it's an upgrade, a modification, something aftermarket, best believe I'm making a video on it for you guys. So if someone sees this in the future and they're like, hey, that's a great idea, I want to do that, this video can be a reference for you and hopefully help you out if you're having trouble with the install. Not a how-to, but a reference video. So let's cut to the chase. I'm gonna jump down to the engine bay with my tools and get started on installing the USP Motorsports bolt kit. we've got all 14 bolts in, our 4 little threaded inserts in, all of our washers, and it's kind of hard to tell from camera, but in person, it looks great. Just the little added extra details that we've placed around the engine bay just makes it look that much better without any of the OEM black bolts. There's now just all fresh stainless hardware showing, and it was pretty easy to install outside of the hammering, but you know, got to do it if you want it to work. So there it is. I'm pretty stoked on that. You guys let me know what you think down in the comments. This kit can be purchased on USP Motorsports website. If you just go to their Mk7 GTI section, you'll be able to find it there. But otherwise, I'm gonna close out the video. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. Like I said at the beginning of the video, if you are new to the channel, please go down below, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next one.